relating to the period in Europe between about AD 500 and AD 1500.
Medieval. Medieval. A medieval manuscript.
The purpose of something or the particular responsibility of someone.
Function. Function. Each button has a different function.
Something that you often do that is bad for you or is annoying.
Habit. Habit. He has some really annoying or nasty habits.
When there is no war, violence, or arguing.
Peace. Peace. Peace talks.
The years from 1990 to 1999.
'90. I spent most of the '90s traveling around the world.
The job or activity of growing a garden and keeping it attractive.
Gardening. Gardening. She enjoys gardening.
Without showing any emotion.
Icy. Icy. An icy stare.
Material like very thick stiff paper, usually pale brown in color, which is used especially for making boxes.
Cardboard. Cardboard. A cardboard box.
An understandable feeling or action is one that you would expect in that particular situation.
Understandable. Understandable. I still feel really angry about it. That's understandable.
To frighten someone very much.
Terrify. Terrify. The idea of parachuting out of a plane terrifies me.
To be aged between 90 and 99.
"90. 90. He is in his 90s now.
The job someone or something has in a particular situation.
Role. Role. What is his role in this project?
In a way that is related to the environment.
Environmentally. Environmentally. Environmentally damaging chemicals.
To speak quietly so that your voice is difficult to hear, often when complaining about something.
Mutter. Mutter.
He was muttering away to himself.
A person who cannot stop doing or using something, especially something harmful.
Addict. Addict. A gambling addict.
A very small part of a computer that stores information.
Chip. Chip. A silicon chip.